Hi, I'm Chaos here again, and this is time for my new deck profile, which will be soon my main deck. So, here it goes. The monsters. Jurak Kaiba. If you destroy a monster with this card in battle, then you can discard summon another Jurak from your deck. If 1700. Attack or less. Then Jurak Velo. If this card is destroyed in battle in attack position, you can spell summon another Jurak. 700 attack or less. Then free Churacoalo. You tribute this card and then you can spell summon one Churak monster with level 4 or lower. And it's a level 1 tuner also. Then 2 Churak Dino. Destroy monster with this card in battle. You can in the end phase you can tribute one Churak in the end phase and then draw 2 cards. 3 Churakera. If at defense position Jurak is destroyed in battle, you can spell summon this card from hand or graveyard. But the effect isn't really that good in this deck, but it doesn't really matter. So, and then last monsters are 3 Evaltal Scenario. That it's a really amazing card in this deck. If you destroy a monster in battle, then you tribute this card in the end of battle phase, and then you spell summon 2 level 6 or lower level 5 dinosaur monsters from our deck with the same name, like someone like two of these guys, Drakera or two of these guys, Meklagia or Turkaivas, or even if you want to drag Dino to make same main sword. But the possibilities are endless. So now the spell cards. Free Fossil Dig. It searches out any card, any monster in this deck except about the Alpha. Free Mortal Destruction. A field spell, and it gives all the fire monsters on the field 500 attack extra and lowers their defense by 400, but that doesn't matter at all. So it gives my Jurak some power because Juraks unfortunately have mostly quite low attack points. 2 Rekindling to press on my Islas from my graveyard. Then 2 Shrink, destroy bigger monsters in battle. And 2 Forbidden Lance. For the same purpose as Shrink, but it can also protect my monsters. Then the spells. Master Reborn, then Staples. Dark Hole, Hailstorm, and 2 Mystical Space Typhoon. And traps. Swalan Turbo, Swan Judgment and Swan Warning. 2 Bottomless Trap Hole, 1 Mirror Force, and 2 Dimensional Prison. And then text deck. 1 Evasal Sorda, the best card in this deck pretty much. It cannot be destroyed by card effects while it has a Xyz material, and if a monster is special summoned, then you can detach the Xyz material from this card and instantly destroy that special summoned monster. And it's a trigger effect, so even Stardust Dragon can't stop it. Then 3 Evolved Logia, obviously amazing card, and 1 Evolved Dorka to negate monster effects. Then number 13 Autopia, 1 Gemma Pearl, well 2600 attack, so good. 1 Wild Cellmates, just in case if I have 2 Jurak Dinos in the field or something. 1 Scap Dragon, Synchros, 1 Star Dragon, 1 Jurak Giganoto. With this card you can make your Juraks even bigger if you have a lot of Juraks in your graveyard. 1 Darkus Dragon to nuke the field, 1 Dragonite to force the birth, and finally a left-side Scottsol. So this was my new deck, Juraks. I really like this deck, it's pretty unusual. So yeah, goodbye.